Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are starting a new playlist that is PySpark interview series. First question that we'll be discussing is from Strata Scratch. Find details of Oscar winners between 2001 and 2009. The table. The table is Oscar nominees. So the Oscar nominees has these columns, that's year, category, nominee, movie, winner, and ID. So if you see here, winner is a boolean, that's a true or false, and if you see the year is a big int. First, to start searching Oscar winners, we need Oscar nominees, that's the table. Now dot where, all we have to find is a winner, right? Winner equal to true. And we need to view Oscar winners, so I'll convert that into pandas and display. So is it required for us to convert it into pandas while working in Databricks or while using open source Spark or PySpark? No, this is just relevant to this data sketch platform. So let's run this code. Okay, column, this should not column or string got bool, the argument condition. Okay, so let me just correct it. Yeah, this should work. Yes. So how do we find or filter? One method is using where. This is used as a data frame. It's already as a data frame loaded in the Strata Scratch. So we are using that data frame and we are filtering using the where condition. So now the second condition we have is it should be between 2001 and 2009. The first method is using greater than or equal to clause. So Oscar winner. So this Oscar nominee has a column that is nothing but year. So we are checking whether if it is greater than or equal to 2001, okay, and lesser than or equal to 2009. So this is one method. We'll also see the shorthand method for it. And since this is the year constraint, let's keep that enclosed in the brackets. Okay, and this will enclose our entire filter condition. So if you see, we have done all the filtering. So let's just see, are we getting the right required data? Yes. So we have got all the values. Okay, when we are using show, we get the top 20 records. When we use display, we see the entire records. So that's fine. So coming back to the other method that we can use to filter, there is something called as filter technique. That for that we have to import a new library. It's from PySpark. We are trying to import the library, that is pyspark.sql.functions import, that we should have something called as column. Okay, so when we are using where condition, we can directly refer the data frame and its column directly like this. But if we are trying to use the other method, so let's see that. Okay, instead of where, we are going to use something called as filter. So we are trying to filter. When we are trying to filter, we don't have to mention the data frame again and again. The column that we are referring to is winner. Okay, so the column winner is equal to true, and same goes here. That is, instead of writing the entire, we can just refer this as call. Okay, So if I run, closing is happening properly. Okay. And yes, so we use the other method, that is filter and using column. Okay, and we have got the required value. Now, do we have to mention this greater than or equal to or lesser than or equal to when we just want to find all the values that is enclosed between 2001 and 2009? Yes, correct. If you ever used or worked with SQL, you know there is something called as between. So can we use the between function over here? Yes, indeed. I'm going to use the function between 2001 comma 2009. So this ensures all the value that is between these are covered. So let's run this. Yes, let's find another method how we can do the same without writing so many big query like how we use in SQL. So in order to do that, the same Oscar winners equal to Oscar nominees dot filter. So instead of filter, let's use a select expr, and we are having we are trying to write the expression for it as is winners. Okay. Okay, so this is aligned. So let's just run it. If you see, column gets added to it and it is searching whether it's winners or not. Hope you like this, and do share, subscribe, and keep watching for the series. So thank you.